All right, continuing coverage of CES 2025. Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine. We're here at the Dreame booth. I've done videos on their robot vacuums. This is the second robot vacuum that I've seen that has an arm attached to it. What this does is it's got a multi-camera system around the edges, as you can see right about there, and that's what's detecting items. Unfortunately, they can't show me a product getting picked up because the Wi-Fi is not great here. But as you can see, it's got the standard identification system in the back for your regular cleaning. So it goes through, does the vacuuming, does the mopping and whatever. It has a base station right here, which, as you can see, there's some different types of brushes. I'm not sure what all those brushes are about. But with this, what this will do is eventually we'll start to move once again, hopefully. All right, there it goes. It's starting to move. That's crazy. So as you can see, it's moving around. It has nothing to really pick anything up just yet, like I said, as it does need internet connection to see and to come back and identify products. But I'm assuming with the app, what's going to happen is it's going to pick up the item, take it to a designated zone, and then drop that item off, come back and clean. I don't know if it drops the item off and then comes back, or if it picks up the item, waits till it gets close to the zone, and then drops it off. But then it also does this other cool thing, which hopefully it's going to show you in a second here, and that is it's going to raise itself up onto, I guess, its hind legs. There you go. Look at that. So now, once again, if it gets on a pile of cords or something like that, then it can back out of itself and get the obstruction out of the way, so it can go pick it up and then go back to the manual cleaning, and probably also let you know that a problem happened through their app. So this is the Dreame Bionic Multi-Joint Robotic Arm. It doesn't have like a designation like D20 or anything like that. But Dreame has a lot of other stuff. You can check out their vacuums right here. We've got a display that looks to be a pool cleaner right there. And then, of course, let's move over to these other areas with the regular vacuums. This one actually goes up and down steps. And then you can see the cleaning, the receptacle, which will then take care of the trash and the water. We'll move over here really quick to see the bottom of this one right here. This is the Hyperstream detangling duo brush right there for pet hair and for human hair and everything like that. And then we've got just their standard one. I can't remember what model I have of Dreame, but I've been using that for a couple years now, and it's just a great vacuum to pick up everyday messes, whether it be vacuuming or whether it be mopping or anything like that. So, but the multi-bionic arm, what a crazy thing right here. I've been saying, if you want yourself your own little Mars rover, there it is right there in a robot vacuum. Of course, it's not going to go up on Mars. It's not going to run around or anything like that. But you'll be able to clean, you'll be able to pick up items, and a lot more. We got a lot more video over at Geekazine.com, youtube.com/Geekazine, that's showing you all the cool stuff at CES. So go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, bell notification, so you know when the next video comes out. And of course, I get my wings. I appreciate that very much. Until next time, you guys geek out and get your room vacuumed the robotic way with Dreame.